this is what we're up to today. Get these mega chickens. Look at the feet. Birdzilla. Well, sometimes you get the chicken, sometimes the chicken gets you. And the chicken didn't really get me, I got me. Just a slip with the knife. Right now I can't get the bleeding to stop, and it just filleted a part of my finger back. And every time I try to pull the towel away, it just starts bleeding again. It's nothing big though. Kim's out there going at it. We've got one more to do, I believe. She cut herself too, but not quite this bad. This really isn't bad, it's just bleeding a lot. Anyhow, we'll get them. Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Runaway Homestead. Listen to that rain. I hope it fills my pond up. I gotta get busy here in the shop. I helped a gentleman with an estate sale a couple of weeks ago, and he made me an offer I couldn't refuse to buy everything that was left. So if you've seen my garage, you know it's kind of like Where's Waldo with all the stuff I have. So now I've got to try to make room for a whole lot more. Excuse me. So next few days I'm going to be very busy. We have the Stivers Homestead. I told Zach to call me if he needs anything. The Stivers Homestead harvest celebration, I should say. So as I say, I'm gonna be busy. I've got to order for a porch swing for Christmas. I've got to order, I think, for a dozen pins. We have a craft thing coming up, a holiday bazaar coming up on the 23rd November that we have to have stuff ready for. So what have I gotten myself into? And calling for rain today, tomorrow, and all I got is my truck and a trailer. But there are some tarps at the estate sale that I'll be putting to use, and I can't wait to show you some of the stuff I get. So right now I'm going to get to cleaning. If I find anything interesting, I'll be back with you. Well, it's the next day, and this is some of the stuff came from that estate sale I bought out. This cabinet, this cabinet are all full of stuff. This trunk, this toolbox. My truck bed is loaded. And I'm gonna have to make another run, but not today because the wind is really kicking and temperature is dropping. So I'll just be lucky to get this stuff inside the barn and go through it. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you that. If I run across something really interesting, I'll stop and do a video and show you. So for now, it's back to work. Well, I'm back down at the house. Out of the wind, out of the cold. Although the barn was pretty nice inside. I had a stove, wood stove going in there. I got vices, bench vices. I've got people already buying stuff off of Marketplace, and I have not scratched the surface of all the stuff I've got. So this is going to be fun, but it's going to be time consuming, which doesn't leave me a lot of time, as I don't have anyway to do many videos. And I've got Christmas gifts I have to make that people have ordered, and buying out this estate sale. It's the first time I've done something like this, but definitely looks profitable. So that helps us sustain. Anyhow, that's been my day, but it's been a fun one. I've enjoyed it. So I'm gonna get off here, edit this so you can see it, and just say hey. And I hope I see some of you at the Harvest Celebration sponsored by the Stivers. So I will catch you later.